Hey there, welcome to another episode of The Ignorant Entrepreneur. The coronavirus pandemic has carved out a lane for the lodging company Airbnb, and it makes the forthcoming IPO even more enticing, CNBC's Jim Cramer said Monday. In fact, the Mad Money host thinks it'll be a steal. The ongoing global health crisis devastated the travel and hotel industries, as countries put flight restrictions and lockdown orders in place to stop the spread of the deadly virus. Now, Airbnb, which connects travels with property rentals, was not spared as conditions forced the company into cost-cutting mode, where it laid off about 25% of its workforce and reduced marketing spending. Wall Street speculated whether Airbnb would shelve its plans to go public this year. But with the crazy rise in the market, look at all these companies IPOing this week. It's just incredible. And I can't blame them. There's been a frenzy of people just investing in whatever. With hotels hobbled, Cramer said the industry will find it much harder to continue boxing Airbnb out of the market. Thanks to COVID, Airbnb is now the safest way to travel, which is why the IPO might end up being the steal of the century. It pretty much has the market to itself, Cramer said. The once mighty hotel and restaurant industries and their unions no longer have the clout to keep Airbnb down. Airbnb rentals in rural areas, however, recovered as people sought vacation and refuge from virus-stricken communities. The company, though, had an $18 billion valuation as of April, almost half of what it was worth in 2017. While executives toyed with the potential direct listing, Airbnb revealed last week that it filed paperwork for an initial public offering, IPO. It remains unclear how many shares it plans to offer, but it looks like they're serious about this, so all you hotel stocks, watch out. Seems like this is turning out to be one of those forever changed businesses that is actually benefiting from COVID-19. Before the virus, staying in somebody else's house may have seemed a little bit more risky than staying at a hotel. Now the hotels seem outright dangerous. What do you guys think about Airbnb? I personally have never rented out or stayed in an Airbnb, but yeah, it sort of makes sense that those might be cleaner than these hotels, which we already knew were not very clean, most of them, or a lot of them. Sounds like definitely a stock I'll have my eye on. I'm not going to be too hype about it. I remember coming into, Lyft and Uber, when those IPO'd, thinking, those are probably going to do pretty well. And so you got to be careful against the hype. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you going to have your eye on Airbnb? For now, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.